Hello everyone, this is a Starlink Mini. Today, we're unboxing the highly anticipated Starlink Mini, the portable satellite internet kit designed for on-the-go connectivity. Let's take a look at what comes inside. Right off the box, we're greeted with the Starlink Mini antenna. It's significantly smaller than the standard dish, making it perfect for travel, camping, or remote work. This sleek and lightweight design weighs just about 2.43 pounds and comes with a built-in Wi-Fi router. Next, we have the adjustable kickstand, which makes setting up on any surface quick and easy. To power the unit, get a compact power supply along with a DC power cable. This keeps the standard Mini running efficiently, whether you're plugged into a standard outlet or using an external battery pack. If you need a more permanent mount, there's also a pipe adapter included. No separate unit needed. And that's everything inside the box. Setup is simple. Just place the dish in a clear view of the sky, plug it in, and connect through the Starlink app. In just minutes, you'll have the high-speed internet no matter where you are. That wraps up our unboxing of the Starlink Mini. Stay tuned for a full review, where we'll test its real-world performance in the different environments. Thank you for watching.